How to see Amazon AU order delivery estimate. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is obviously get into your Amazon AU and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on a U icon right here, right? So after doing that, you can tap on orders right here and you'll be able to see all of your orders. Then from here, what you're going to do is simply check the clear board date next to your active order that you'll be able to see around here, which actually will be stating your arriving day and date. So for the more accurate estimation, what you're going to do is simply tap on track package to see if it is expected by the specific time. So for example, it could be by 8 p.m. or 9 a.m. or something like that. So you can view it just like that, and that is it. That is exactly how you'll be able to see your Amazon AU order delivery estimate. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.